Hi everyone, welcome to Jensen DIY. So your toilet's running intermittently or sporadically. Well, I'm going to show you what causes this and how to fix it. It's a relatively easy job. You're just going to have to change out a part. Okay, let's have a look.
A running toilet, sporadically running toilet, is the flapper, okay? Right down there at the bottom, okay? When you flush the toilet, that lifts up, all the water from the tank goes down and pushes everything out of the bowl, okay? So the flappers do wear out over time. All right, the material starts to disintegrate. Basically, I've seen them so bad that they fall apart in your hand. A lot of times these are black, and if you put your hand down in there and touch the bottom of it and your fingers are black, you know it's done. It needs to be replaced. The reason that you will know that it's the flapper is because, you know, middle of the night, you'll hear your toilet just start running, but it'll only run for 10-15 seconds, and then it stops. And then maybe an hour later, it does it again. Well, that's because there's a little crack or something compromised on that flapper. So it allows a little bit of water to seep out over time slowly. And depending how compromised the flapper is basically the timing of how often it's going to come on like that. So usually it starts out small. So after an hour, it'll just come on. And all it's doing is it's letting that little bit of water out, just letting it down so that this triggers on and wants to fill it back up again. So it's just got to fill it that little bit, maybe 1/8 of an inch in the tank. So that's all you're hearing is the tank refilling itself as the water drips away after an hour or two or less. So yeah, you want to change your flapper. And when you change your flapper, make sure you clean around the surface where the flapper seals, because that seals around the exit pipe there, okay? All you need to do is turn the water off. Give the toilet a flush. And then you just undo this clip here. Undo this clip here. That pops right up out of there. Okay? Just undo the chain and just take this to the hardware store with you, and then you can get the same one, or you can order it online depending on the brand of your toilet. Or sometimes they have universal ones. It's always best to get the one that's made for your make and model of toilet, and then to put it back in. Some of them are a little different, you know. They just clips on, or sometimes it just slides over the side. And then when you hook your new chain on, sometimes you might need to adjust the chain a little bit by a few links, just so that it flushes properly. You want to have a little bit of slack in the chain so that it actually seats down properly. Otherwise, if it's up a little bit like that, then it's obviously going to let water out. Okay, and then it's just turn the water back on. Let it fill up, and there you go. Should solve the problem.
All right, well, I hope that helped you. If it did, please consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching.